ka sorkar jela menta ka sngi ka khatlai trik unai lar kalarai ban penjun sore ka kendon ban bu dukan tho tim na kalai spa mitar shaka shispa mitar na ki jaka badon ki jaka pule ki jaka sumar jaka maniblai ulong bala pen kelai ka kendon nrew iwei ka megalia regulation of the game of arrow shooting and the scale of tir tickets a parjar khat pra usumbut menteri rangba ulai thuru baga sorkar kal ai bor halor ka pisak tingka haus ketri ka lokka yukta katkum ka kendon ka an hakju ko por ka jingelang ka konhun menteri kala pedang ya karai ke GST Council ban pelat khajana no gitu gi bakamai hapo arpolak haka sisnam haba pentebe ke ne usumbut menteri rangba ba prestun tinsong ulai tho ba mensyam snam ka GST Council kala bu kendon begitu ki bakamai si polak seneng kin hapsiu khajana Redangshan kala penjun sore kani ulai tho ba ka jingelang ka rai ru banjer kerteng thamai ka tanat agriculture shaka agriculture and farmers welfare kumbala lek sorkar pedang
church or religious centers, those people who set up their counters should be minimum 100 meters. 100 meters now. Earlier it was 300, and now, yeah.
That's why I said,
and now
why
we
reduce?
Sorry?
Why we reduce?
We reduce it. You see, the case is like this. Now you saw 100 meters, no, 300 meters is quite huge, and especially the space in Shillong that we have, unlike in rural area. But in Shillong, 100 meters I think is quite huge, quite big enough. Forget about 300. That's what we felt that yes, the proposal made by the ERTS is justified. That's why we said okay, the proposal of from 300 to 100 is justified, and the cabinet has approved it. This time, regarding the proposal to promulgate the Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax Amendment Ordinance 2019. As you are all aware, the GST Council has approved the proposal for enhancement the limits of registration, mandatory registration of those people whose their earning is 10 lakhs annually to rupees 20 lakhs annually. So in view of this decision taken by the GST Council, the cabinet today has approved the proposal in the form of ordinance effective from April 2019 that the slab mandatory registration will not be now 10 lakhs, it should be now 20 lakhs and above. Those who are within 20 lakhs, relaxation has been considered by the GST Council. Decision taken by the GST Council was they increase it instead of making it 10 lakh rupees, they increase it to 20 lakhs, which I personally feel that is also, that is also very
So coming
justified.
to this, earlier,
Most take effective from April of this year.
Which
Till
means,
such time when we have a session, then we will regularize it.